I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile.
So I just thought I would film part of this or making this meal, but unfortunately I somehow forgot to film making the rice and my husband grilling or sauteing the meat. So I actually don't have footage of all of that, but I'll just put here what I have, and I will put the recipes in the description box. It is just recipes that I guess concocted myself, threw together myself, so I'll try to be as specific as possible, but there may be small things that I either don't remember or I just, when I go to make rice and fajitas and this type of stuff, I just kind of dump and I never go by recipes, so that is the situation that I'm in. So when people ask me for my recipes, I kind of like I'm a dump it girl, so I just dump everything, and I will try to include as exact recipes as I can in the description box for you guys. Also, I just thought I would mention that this meal was for my husband's family and his aunt and us, obviously, while they were down here, so it wasn't just, it was a larger group of people, not huge, but still more than just us, for sure, and there was plenty of food left over. There's so much rice left over, but we had so many different things that it was just a lot of leftovers, and so that was fine because you can always eat leftovers, right? But I think I had used 10 pounds of chicken, and so it was a good bit of food.
channel. Thanks guys for coming back. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. My name is Joe and I'm so glad to have you here. So if you have been following along, we moved to Florida and it's been about 2 weeks. Yeah, today it's actually 2 weeks since we got here, and it's getting better. It was a little bit rough and I was definitely homesick to start with, but it's getting better. And I just thought I would give you guys a little update and tell you what's going on, what is happening in our lives. So excuse me. So for the most part, we are basically settled in. There's a few things here and there, and there's definitely stuff that takes time to get done when you move, but I feel pretty good about everything as far as in-house, like feel pretty settled in and so forth. We are like living in kind of an apartment. We're just renting, so yeah, there's like a lower level and then we are in the upper level, so we have the whole top level. That's our apartment. But we have a really good view. We are in the country sort of, and yeah, it's not like we're right in the middle of town and have just like tiny apartment. So it doesn't have as many rooms and so forth as our house did in Indiana, but it's like the living room, dining room, and kitchen is all kind of open, like in one big room. So I do enjoy that. I do like how open it is, and I will be doing a house tour soon, hopefully. There's a few things that need to be done really badly that I'm working on right now, and so hopefully as soon as that gets done, then I'll be doing a house tour. So stay tuned for that. Definitely keep I guess definitely hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos if you would like to see that and to see a house tour. So the next thing, I'm not sure when this video is going to be going up, but I am probably just gonna I'm gonna have some videos with kind of a few different things together, because I don't want to I have footage from before we moved and I have that stuff, but I also want to get current stuff to you guys because I don't like giving you stale videos, I guess. To me they're stale because it happened so long ago. But I'm also wanting to do some food ones soon, so I'm not sure. I may put up 2 videos a week for maybe like 2 weeks in a row or something like that. But I just wanted again to give you an update. I'm not sure what all is going to be in this video because I just maybe this video is going to have footage from moving. I'm not sure. So yes, I just thought I would give you an update now that we're in Florida and kind of let you guys know what's going on. My husband he got started on his new job. I think it was last week sometime. So he's enjoying that, and yeah, it's getting a lot better. It was a little bit lonely and stuff, but it's definitely, I'm feeling like we're settling in, so that's at least a good thing, right? It's definitely different, like a culture shock kind of, because it's just, Florida is just so different from Indiana, and the weather is different. Like, I love sunshine, but it's just really warm. I know people from Florida are probably gonna laugh about this because it's like springtime down here yet, I guess. Well, I don't know if it's spring. I think it just goes from cool to hot, or I'm not sure how I don't think they really have a winter down here or much of one. So I don't really know what the spring is like. I don't know if this is classed as spring or summer or what this is, but this is like summer for me, so yeah, it's fine. I'll get used to it. It's just a little more humid, but the nights are really nice and just like a little cooler. So that is awesome. And we have been to the beach several times because my husband's family was down here when they came down with us, and so they were here and they wanted to go to the beach, of course, and all that. So we did do some of that stuff while they were here, and some fun things, I guess you could say, like going to the beach and stuff while they were here. And now we're just getting settled into real life and that kind of thing. So I am really looking forward to the next couple of videos because I mean, it's really interesting to see what life is gonna be like down here, just because like it's just a different area, different people, different lifestyle because of the whole culture thing I was talking about earlier. It's just different. So I'm excited though to see how it's gonna go, and yeah, just to see what everything's gonna be like. So I am happy to take you guys along for the ride, and hopefully I will be doing a house tour within the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. And I did a poll on Instagram, and I was asking what type of videos people want, if they want just like, you know, day in the life and things that are happening in our lives, or if they want like, you know, like touristy ones where I do like maybe, you know, like maybe some good restaurants or places to go, yeah, like spend time at, like go parks or, you know, coffee shops or shopping or whatever. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna be doing that. I might do like a series like where I'll do like restaurants and coffee shops and parks, and I don't know how I'm gonna be doing that for sure. It just kind of depends what I have time to go and video for you guys, and what I have time to actually like film about, because I don't want to just like, I don't want to just say things that I haven't personally experienced. I'm not saying that I would never mention those, but I like to be authentic and just I like to tell you guys about stuff that I actually love myself. There's a park not far from here that I really like, and so I want to definitely include that. But I guess we'll see. So I feel like this is getting so long-winded, so I am just gonna cut it off, and hopefully you guys can enjoy this, and thanks for watching. Bye.